Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable voice typing or access voice typing in Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your startup menu and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on accessibility. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to speech. Then what you want to do right here, modern voice command features will help you interact with your PC and indicate text. Turn on this button right here. Once you turn on this button, each time you press and you can see the features right here. Microphone turn off. Do you want to continue and set up voice access? Yes, continue or no. So what you need to do is to click on yes, continue. So setting up your voice access. So you can see this setting up the voice access right here. After a successful setting up the voice access, you can start voice access before signing to your PC or start voicing access after signing to your PC. So I'm going to enable this. Once you are done and everything has been fully downloaded from the top right here, then you can start using your voice to type. Then one more thing you can do right here, you can go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. And then go ahead and select language right here. So you can see different language available right here. So in my own case right here, I'm going to use English United States. Click on that. Then having select English United States, I'll go ahead and click on yes right here. Then you can see download right here. Downloading English United States. So allow everything to download completely. So you can see downloading English United States. So what you need to do is to make sure that this language here is completely downloaded. Just like so. Now you have Microsoft microphone has changed to microphone this, and then here you can start. So you can see say voice access wake up or press microphone button to activate voice access. So just like so. Set up your microphone, set up your mic for voice access. So here you can simply select your mic right here and then go ahead and click on next. Then here you are all set. Then bring IDEA to life with Microsoft 365. Make connection, try voice access. Go ahead and click on done right here. You can open the voice access guide or command this at any time from the menu bar right here. It's that simple. Now, so after a successful setup, so for us to activate, press window, just like what you see right here, press window plus control plus S. This will turn on or turn off voice access, and then press to voice type, press window plus H right here, just like what. So if I press window plus H, and this dialog box here is going to pump up right here. Voice typing turn on your voice into text with Microsoft Online Speech Test Service. Select the microphone button to start voice typing. This will also install device-based speech recognition that improve voice typing, just like so. So we can click on the microphone right here.